Namaste. My name is Samidha Kolhatkar, founder of Yogsutras. If you believe the time to prepare for 2026 is now, then this is for you. Strengthen your body to strengthen your state, because physical vitality brings in mental clarity and high performance. It is not about how you look, but it is about how you live. Momentum does not begin outside, it begins from within. Before achievements, before results, there is this inner priming. Your state, your habits, your rituals. This is a strong curated flow to align your body, mind, and energy. To prepare for 2026 with inner alignment, focus, and unshakable awareness, join the practice. Build your momentum from within. And hope to see you on the mat. Align your posture from your feet to the interlinked palms above the head to be able to stretch yourself up on the toes and flow into Tadasana. Let your shoulders relax. Let your core be a part of your awareness, and try to keep your breath with your natural rhythm, letting you remain in the pose. When you flow down, you will gently roll the heels, bend your knees, and prepare for Utkatasana. Keeping your lower body as is, elevating your upper body stepwise, and reach Utkatasana. Align your breath, your core, face relaxed, shoulders relaxed. And remain with your breath free-flowing. Rise up and bring your palms into the chest, preparing for the round of 6 Suryanamaskars. Inhale Hasta Uttanasana. Flow down Padahastasana. Left foot behind Ashwa Sanchalan. Exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale Dandasana. Exhale Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale Bhujang. Exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale left foot forward Ashwa Sanchalan. Hop into Padahastasana, exhaling. Rise up. And exhale into chest Pranamasana. And do this now with your right leg taken behind, with the series of the poses remaining the same. The speed same as the first Suryanamaskar. And you could use this pair as a warm-up pair. And the next 4 you could align your own speed. Accelerate once you're comfortable with the flow, with the warm-up. And keep flowing with the pace that you can keep up. And that comes naturally with your practice. Allow yourself to flow from one pose to the other, seamless. Keep your awareness in the breath. And keep moving. Coming to that last Suryanamaskar, which creates the warmth, preparing you for the next set of flows. Bring your palms and relax. Let us begin by lifting the left foot, take it behind, flow into crescent, press your back thigh. And we are going to use this to challenge our mobility. Letting the foot flow forward 6 times, and each time you flow back into crescent with stability and grace. And after the final one, flow down into runner's lunge and prepare to hop. A few times where you change your foot forward, and the last one with the right foot forward. Flow into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hop forward to the space where you started. And let's begin on the left side. Lift your right foot. Swing it behind. Flow into crescent. And hop your back foot forward and expand into crescent each time you do this. Using your awareness, your focus, the core strength. And the last time you flow into runner's lunge and start hopping, changing your foot forward. The last time you would have the left foot forward, rise up into Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhaling, bend your knees and hop forward and complete the flow. Let's begin raising the arms up, flow down into Utkatasana. Bring in the core in your awareness, keep your breath steady, bring your palms into the chest. And on an exhale, twist onto the right side and get your feet closer, the knees together. Bring your left foot behind and remain in this place. And using your core strength, you will bring the back foot forward. Settle down in that twist. Then slowly you start to look ahead, rise up into Utkatasana and complete the right side. We flow in the same way, lifting arms up into Utkatasana, bringing the palms in the chest, knees together, feet together. On an exhale, twist onto the left side. Allow the twist to be felt. And then swing your right foot behind and remain in the twist. Keep breathing. And like we did on the other side, you will hop the back foot forward, remain in the twist first before you start unwrapping. And return to Utkatasana, the place that you started, and connect your palms back into the chest. Kapalabhati in Utkatasana, 3 rounds, minimum 40 exhales per round. And in between the rounds, a pause to allow you to recover and reset your breath. To ignite the fire inside. Utkatasana keeps you focused. And this pause is essential to absorb the after effect, feel the subtle changes before you slide into the second round. This flow is all about inner alignment. Flow into your second round, letting yourself feel that every flap of the abdomen, that ignites the fire inside. A strong start and a strong end gives us the sense of accomplishment. Strengthening the body to strengthen the mind. The last round of Kapalabhati in Utkatasana when you complete the third round, allow yourself to rise up, bring your palms down, separate your feet, relax, connect the palms in the chest.